Alright, I got to do my own DIY. Fix it here. This is a 2007 Toyota Prius, and my wife said there's a problem with the hinge, or with the door not opening. And when you pull the latch, it should open. And these are all the tools you're going to need here. Why do we have a bottle of Elmer's glue? Well, I don't have a rubber ducky like the one man had, which was a great tool, I thought. But there's your latch down here. And when you pull it open, the door should open like that. But it didn't originally, so I'm going to just stick this glue in here, make sure it's closed, or we'll have a glued device here. There we go. I just pushed it in. Anything will do to push it in, but a rubber ducky works great. Okay, so that opens the door. And just to let you know what is going on is there's this little button. A little button. So when you shut the door, it pushes that button in, kind of like a lot of different switches. So there were several things that were wrong here. The first thing that I noticed, well, it was not closing. It was tight. It wasn't opening like this at all. And the first thing that I noticed was this hinge was bent down here. This part that is your spring is working, so I don't need to replace that. But this hinge was bent, and it's still kind of bent. One person said put lube on it. I did WD-40. And then when I tried to close it some more, I noticed that it was bent up here. So you can see it was bent a lot more, and it was touching the body because I noticed this was not flush against there or straight. So I bent it back, and then this part was also bent. So I bent that back too. And I did one idea somebody had is take a screwdriver and put some duct tape on it, and I did that and bent the hinge back gently because I didn't want to break it. And then I bent the other parts by using a ball peen hammer and a lineman's pliers, but I first put tape across here so I wouldn't break it. So the lineman pliers were used to bend this down a little bit. Ball peen hammer was used to beat on it back in shape. A little body work, and you see it moves freely now. So I'm going to close the door. We'll take the Elmer's glue out. Oh, how about that? It fell out. Okay. Well, anyway, you'll see that the door will now open. And so you want to look to see if it's not, aligned, if it's bent. And I'm going to get some of this silicone lube that they told me about. So all good ideas, but I got to fix. Wife's birthday's tomorrow. She's happy. She can get gas. All right, thank you.